Work of system state backup. Welcome guys, I'm Manjeet Rawat, your online instructor. You are watching Teach Me Cloud YouTube channel. In previous class of how to become system administrator, we already discussed about the procedure how to configure system state backup for any server operating system, right? So, as per the name suggests, the work of system state backup that will help you to protect your Active Directory related database. I'm talking about the objects and containers. It will also protect the DNS services and group policy management. Let's take an example. For example, you have already established one domain controller, and you know that with the help of domain controller, we are able to manage multiple resources. I'm talking about the client operating system or any kind of printer or other resources that you have. You can manage and control with the help of ADDS. We are able to create a separate objects and containers like as a user groups and computers organizational unit. These all are the part of our Active Directory. If you really want to protect these objects and container and also group policy, then system state backup come into the picture. So what we did in previous class, we successfully created a backup for server 2019, I think, right? And in server 2019 we have already created we have already created one some users, right? And now what I'm going to show you how we can restore it, because the backup part we have already discussed, and I'm going to pin the previous class video in I button. You just need to click on I button. You will get the information about the procedure, how to take the backup of system, how to take the backup of system state. Yes. So let me share my screen and show you practical. But before that, if you're new on my YouTube channel, if you're watching my video first time, do subscribe, because Teach Me Cloud is a single technical training based YouTube channel that will help you, that will provide you 100% live practical based video without skip any step. I'm moving myself to the screen and show you the server that we choose to set up our system state backup. I hope you guys are able to see my screen. This is server 2019, I think. And in server 2019, we are able to find the last option. You just need to click on tools and open system Windows Server Backup option. It will redirect you on the page of server backup option, and it will also show you the date, right? The restore point. Meanwhile, I'm also going to open dsa.msc. It will redirect you on the page of Active Directory user and computers. And in Active Directory users and computers, we are able to find only one user, but we created a multiple users. I'm just going to delete it, right? Right now, I'm just going to delete it. And after that, we are going to restore our computer, restore our Active Directory services. Let me check, open our server manager dashboard again, go to tools, and in the tools, we just need to find the Windows Server Backup. Let me open, bit slow, please wait. Okay, cool. We are able to find the system state backup, server backup is that. And in server backup is that n number of options are available, and one backup we successfully created with name of backup. So not a name, but the backup that we taken on 16th of Jan 2025. And now we have a restore point. You can consider it as a restore point, and I'm just going to restore it. But guys, just wanted to clear the doubt. We are not able to restore from this particular option. If you are going to click on recover, it will give you the complete information. Restore point on 16th, because we taken the backup for this machine on 16th. So system state backup, types of backup system state, original location. It will give you the error, because the machine that we are trying to use, this is normal state, available in normal stage. And in case of system state backup, whenever we restore our system state backup, your machine must be in, what we can say, in DSRM mode, right? So how we can get the DSRM mode? You just need to open ms config, which is also considered as a system management panel. This is the system configuration management panel. and go to the boot option. Please check on safe boot and select Active Directory repair mode. Your machine must be turned on with the help of system state Active Directory repair mode. You can also consider it as a DSRM mode. You just need to open the MS config and go to the boot option. In the boot panel, you just need to select option like the Active Directory repair mode and wait for a few more minutes. And I hope you guys are okay and understand about the work of system state backup, the password that required in case of system state backup whenever we install Active Directory domain service in our server operating system. While promoting our domain, it will ask you please provide your DSRM password, right? So the DSRM password that you need to provide, same password you need to use now whenever we open our machine in the safe mode of Active Directory repair. Please wait for NTDS. NTDS is a type of database file which is available in our C Windows System 32, I think. And the entire activity related to the Active Directory performed by this particular file. So we should just need to wait for a few more minutes, and we are going to log in not in safe mode, you can say that Active Directory mode, repair mode, and we'll try to restore our machine and we'll get the deleted object or any kind of like group policy that you deleted before, so we are able to revert back. It is in progress, and meanwhile, if you feel like if you have any question or doubts, you can directly ask to me. Fine guys, so our machine is ready. I'm just going to log in with the help of administrator, the local administrator, not with Active Directory, and your machine must be turned on in DSRM mode, right? Cool guys, so safe mode, we successfully log in our machine in safe mode. Again, we just need to open server manager dashboard, go to the tools, and under the tools we are able to find multiple options are available. Click on Windows Server Backup. It will redirect you on the page of same Windows Server Backup option, and click on local backup, and it will find the number of restore points that you have already created. So I'm just going to restore on last restore point, recovery point. Proceed with next. 16th, the restore point that we created on 16th. Types of backup, system state, and original location. Definitely I wanted to restore original location. No, I don't want to reboot it automatic. Next, the restore process is started. It will again take maybe 5 minutes, right? So it will take 5 minutes, and after that we are going to like as a check. We will try to start our computer in normal mode, and then we'll find the deleted user. It is in progress, so meanwhile I'm going to pause the video and proceed again. Okay, restoration of our system state backup is almost completed. It will give you the result like this. So yes, definitely I wanted to restart, but after restart I wanted to turn on my machine in normal mode, not in DSRM mode. So what you need to do, you just need to again execute same command, ms config, and it will redirect you on the page of system configuration, and we just need to remove the page of what we can say that DSRM mode. We just need to turn on in normal ms config. Okay, unfortunately, let me restart and try to log in with the normal mode. But we haven't unchecked the option of DSRM, so maybe it will automatically redirect you on the same page in the sense like as in DSRM mode. But after that we'll try to change it and we'll log in it in normal mode, because as we discussed, we are not able to restore, we are not able to perform any task with Active Directory in DSRM mode. Correct. Active Directory service is not available. Go to the others. Cool. Open MS config. Go to the boot option. Uncheck the safe mode. And apply. Okay. Mandatory to restart. And this time I'm going to turn on our computer with the normal mode of Active Directory services, because definitely I wanted to turn on our machine in normal mode, that we can get the all deleted user, because we restore it. So definitely we'll get the all deleted objects and any kind of containers that you have already deleted. In progress, please wait. And after that, we are moving ourselves to the another practical system state backup completed. And next we'll discuss about how we can manage the bare metal backup, because the bare metal backup can help us to protect the whole operating system. Means if you are not able to turn on your machine, the server computer, so you want to like repair it, so I think the bare metal backup will help you. No problem. Once we complete this particular part, we'll definitely show you the steps how we can get the security for our entire operating system. It is taking time, but we'll get our like the deleted user, because you are going to turn on your computer with the help of normal mode. You just need to open the Active Directory user and computer, and you will get all the deleted object. That's it, guys, for today's session. We'll connect in next class and discuss more about system administrator content. Do subscribe. You're on YouTube channel. Take care, guys. Bye bye.